Hey, what's popping? Hey, honey. Hey, honey. Hey, honey. So, my order just arrived. My Temu order arrived, right? Look at it. It's so big. So, I'm just gonna open it and do like an honest review. This is my first order, and I just wanted to see how it be going, right? What the fuck? What is Caesar at? Just gonna use the Caesar. Hopefully I don't cut anything. I'm not sure why they put so much sellotape. I should have asked you questions. I should have asked you how to be. That's where I come from. You know that song? It starts by saying, never be so kind. You forget to be polite. Never be so polite. You forget your power. I honestly forgot what I ordered. But should I start with the one that I'm excited for? I don't even know, honey. The one that I'm like mostly excited for. The one I've been waiting for. The one I've been wanting. The one I've been wanting. Nah, I don't think that will be nice. Just gonna pick a boot. This is cute. It looks so beautiful. It looks huge, like from the website. Oh, now you see the other item. It looks super huge. So this is this face thing for face care. I don't know what is it called. I'll put the name of it. I saw it. It's like you put some water and then you ice it and then you just like rub it on your face because we're so big on skincare these days, right? And then I don't want to cut the video. I'm just gonna record. Hopefully it's recording, but it's not. Let me see. Okay, we good. We're still good. And then this is the coolest thing. I saw it and I was like, this looks so cool, right? It's like giving everything. It rotates. This is my favorite part. So this is like a makeup. I'm gonna use this as a makeup organizer and stuff. Then I'll put my brushes here and then some stuff. And then you can see how cool it is. Like, well, it is cool to me. I don't know to you, but that's second item. Then another. Okay, I forgot about this. I got this for baking because I love baking. I love to bake cakes, muffins, loaves, banana loaf, and more. So I think this one I can also use it for jelly, like I'm icing jelly. You know when we were kids and they used to put like jelly and stuff when we were kids. So this was nice. It's not huge, but I don't know what size is it, but it's also cool. And then I got Satin. Oh, honey! Wait, they're huge. This is so cool. Like, this is so cool. I got this for my pillowcase because I've been wanting to buy these pillowcases and they're forever expensive. So when I saw them on Temu, I was like, I need to get this. Plus I had discounts, you know. Had like 50%. Then there's an item that I got for 100% off because of it's my first time. Then I got this gift from someone. For someone. So you put this it's an organizer basically. Okay, it looks good. So you put it at the back of the car seats or something, and then yeah, gonna give this to my brother, I think. And then oh, I forgot about this. Like, I ordered this like 2 weeks ago. Well, it arrived less than 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks after the order. These. It's the things for... I need to like not be playing with them. It's for... I'm gonna use this to install eyelashes. Then this one, I don't know what is it. I don't know what that one is for. Well, these ones look the same. I don't know. I'll figure it out. What is it for? I don't know. I just saw it and I was like, I just wanted like eyelash applier and stuff, because I'm very big on, what is it? This is my favorite item. This is the item that I was looking forward for. So you know how we always say save last for the best, save best for the last, whatever it is. That saying. I need to get that saying right because I always use it, but I don't know it. Look at that. It's so cool. It's so cool. Like, to me. Well, I just can't be from work. That's why I'm wearing. Oh, honey. It's. Well, Precious. Precious is my friend. So Precious was like, she thought I'll get like the smallest. But look at it. It's so cute. It has. Yo, I don't know. I thought it was supposed to write SPF, but it says UPF. I don't know what that is. But it's supposed to protect you from the sun and everything. Maybe it's another way for SPF. I'm gonna open it here. Wait, we shouldn't open umbrellas inside the house, but this is awkward. Well, inside it has, wait, it has, ooh, this is the coolest umbrella I have, like, literally. It's so cool, right? This is the coolest. And that's it. I got like 5 items, 5, 6. The other one was free, and yeah. Bye until you see me again. Until my next order for Temu or Shein or whatever. Wait, I am expecting another order from Temu. I think it will arrive next week, and also as well as the Shein one. And then yeah, we'll see. But this is the coolest. Like, it's so raw. It's a I hope it's not coming off. Anyway, let me go. Prepare these and stuff and pack it. I have to pack the organizer again because I moved it out. And hopefully it fits in his car, you know. Yeah. But you're still around. I did it. Oh, now let me play that song. That song has been playing in my head. Like, I've been playing that song the whole day because, you know, I love TT. But anyway, bye. It's from Evermore album. I'm gonna put the song of the name. If the song. Maybe I'll put the video with the song so that it makes sense. What song am I singing? But that's not important. But honey, imagine me sleeping in this after using my icy thing. Where is it? Icy thing. Plus, I also recently changed my skincare products. I'll post the video about it and stuff. The skincare that I just recently started. And I've heard a lot of good things about sleeping in a pillowcase like this. So that's why I've always wanted some. Yeah. So this is so cool. Bye. This is so cute. Drop a like. Hey. I hope I was recording. Let me go. But this umbrella, honey, the details in this umbrella, the details. Ooh, camera, don't fail me. This is the coolest umbrella. Literally, this is the coolest. I hope it does protect you from, well, all umbrellas do protect you from rain and sun, but this is giving leather. It's giving everything. Well, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until we meet again, honey.